Hi guys, how are all of you? So welcome back to my channel RG Explains. So let's get started. So guys, now we are going to talk about the 59 Chinese apps that have been banned by our Indian government, and we'll also see why have these Chinese apps been banned. So let's get to it. So guys, these are the 59 Chinese apps that have been banned, and as you guys can see that the app leading the list is TikTok. So now let's go and find out what really made this happen. So guys, I think we all know about the fight that had happened at an disputed border in between India and China, the two nuclear powered countries. So in this 20 of our Indian soldiers had died and there were some Chinese casualties as well. So India says that Chinese troops had invaded our land, which was high up in the Himalayan mountain range. And guys, also when China was asked about this fight, they had the same story against India, that Indian troops had invaded the Chinese land. So you guys should know that these Chinese social networking companies have long eyed our India's giant market, as somewhere in about 50% of India's 1.3 billion people use these Chinese social apps, and that's how they are growing so much. So yeah. So you guys should also know that IMEIT had dropped a statement on last Monday, and that was these Chinese apps have been stealing and transferring our users' data in a very unauthorized manner and sending it to servers which are present outside India. So this is a matter of great concern for India, and that is why these serious measures were taken and these Chinese apps were banned. So guys, cyber security have even warned us in the past about the risks these Chinese apps and Chinese telecom companies pose to our India, which cited the National Intelligence Law. This law holds Chinese companies legally responsible for providing access and close cooperation to Chinese intelligence gathering. So guys, and also this argument and guys, this argument has been at the center of a campaign to persuade Western countries not to allow Chinese companies to build their next generation 5G networks. Thank you so much guys, and if you do like my content, please subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon. Bye bye.
Feel my heart, it's beat tight.